again, friends. Hey, it's me again, Grammy Vulture. I can't believe it's been so long. Well, I can. I've been very busy. I have the smaller Tart. This one cracked in the middle, but even though it's cracked in the middle doesn't mean it's going to taste bad. Let's cut this thing open. I have the Tarts, the mini pans. They stuck so badly. But these ones are the cupcake liners. The crust floated to the top. Tried to peel this little thing, but some of the paper stuck to it. Crust on top. It's chilled overnight. It's a tough conundrum to cut. Yeah. English is my first language, can you tell? And then this one. Oh, this is gonna be good. Let's try this first. Oh my goodness. Ready for first bite? Tell me how it is. Is it really good? Okay, so I took 3 oranges, 5 lemons, and 6 tamarindos. And I juiced them all up, and that's the juice I used for this. But I just used the regular recipe that I used years ago. It's a tiny bit tart. It's really sweet. And it's really delicious. All right. If you try it, let me know. Leave me a comment, do a big thumbs up and all the things. And gotta go. See you later. Love you. Bye.